Good afternoon and welcome to the Tech Desk of Russ Nicodem from SICK Incorporated. Today we're going to be talking about the new deTec kits that we're selling. The deTec4 is a safety light curtain, category 4, and we sell it in kits. So what comes in the kits and how do you mount them? That is what we're going to try to accomplish in the next 60 to 120 seconds. So first, a couple things you'll get in the sticks will be 2 sets of light curtains. One will be a sender and one will be a receiver, and it should say receiver on the side. You'll also know the receiver has got the built-in LED if you buy it that way. They normally come with the built-in LED, but you can buy it without. The next thing that you'll find in your kit is system plugs. So there are 2 styles of system plugs that come in the standard kit. One is an SP1 and one's called an SP2. Notice the difference. One is small, one is large. One has a lot of dip switches, one has very few. The SP1 connects to your sender because the sender is not very smart. The SP2, and you'll look on the back, it'll say type 2. It has a bunch of dip switches and there is a cover that goes over the top of this. But this is used to configure your light curtain if you want to do something advanced beyond just a light curtain. You'll notice that they have 2 cables each. The longer cable is the main cable for the light curtain. The shorter one is called an extension connection. It's used for things like a reset button. They're used for cascading. They're used for muting, things like that. The longer one is a male connection. The third thing that comes in your kit standard is the Flex Fix brackets. These are the brackets that you mount your light curtain to. They work really well. They allow for multiple angles of adjustment. So we'll go through this. You mount the system plugs to the light curtains. The SP2 goes on the receiver and the SP1 goes on the sender. So it'll look like this. Let's go over to here and down to the demo. So you put your SP1 on the sender, and your SP2 will look like that. It goes on the receiver. These mounting brackets, you mount them so that your sender and receiver, the tops of these, right here, there's a dead band or a reference point. You want them to snap in to these brackets. So I push into the brackets and I push down and that ledge hits onto the edge of these brackets. So I have my vertical alignment right out of the gate. So I put these in, I slide them, and I snap them down, and then I turn them, and voila, they're lit up. One other accessory you may want that does not come in the kit is a laser button. It's a button that goes in line with the sender. You push the laser, you can see it on the wall. It's really helpful at longer distances. I shoot the laser at the receiver and it goes green. So that's what we have for the deTec kits. Thank you and have a good day.